reading on YouTube, a lot of people have trouble with noise with the 6000. Well, I've done a few, quite a few things, quite a bit of ground balancing, and I've got it running almost dead silent. I don't like the threshold on. I don't see how that is helping at all. And what I do, if I hear a noise now, a target sound, it will not be a hot rock, it will not be ground noise, it will definitely be something, maybe a bit of metal, hopefully gold, but I certainly am not stopping for any other noises or yawns or false targets. So I get a slight murmur. I mean, you get those odd little touches like that, but if you've got a repeated target on the ground, it definitely will be a target, it won't be anything else. What a beautiful day it is today, absolutely beautiful. Just cool enough and just warm enough, it's just perfect. Now, I've actually been chaining for a few hours now, about an hour and a half. But I chained over a nugget, random nugget I got yesterday, that just there, which was a 5 grammer. But I'd started my chaining further away to move over this area. And now I've just gone past that one. I've got my second target. Oh no, it's actually my first target for today. Second for this little area here. Check that out. This is fairly quiet, so I expect this just to be a small bit. Well, I'm saying it's almost got a bit of a specimen ring to it. A little bit of a warble there. Now, so, maybe I'm wrong, there could be a bit of wire. But I haven't found any junk today at all. Definitely a little sound there. I think it might be a bit of wire on the surface. I'm guessing if it is gold, it's a specimen. Or if it's not a specimen, maybe a long skinny bit, or a bit with points on it. I'm sort of covering everything now to cover my ass, but no, I don't think it's going to be a standard nugget. It's going to be gold, that's for sure. See, when you get down this far, you see this grass. That's where ants have carried that down. Well, I think so. I'm not going to say I've got it out now, because I'm just not sure about this one. But it is possible that it's out now. Okay. So I don't think it's going to be much. Still got that strange sound. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice nugget. It's a nice nugget. It's flat and got a hook on the end. I knew there was something a bit weird about it. A horse's head or something. It's thin though. Well, not thin. It's not real thick. Good one. At least I'm on the ball. Second positive signal I've got for today. Well, the first one was a nugget. Difficult. Okay. Pretty sure this is going to be a little bit. But Deb's only, well, was only about 10 metres from me, and she's just digging a bit of wire, so we thought we hadn't found any rubbish, and all of a sudden we start finding. I think it's out. I just like to scrape it back first rather than start chopping it. Bottom on this one. See that?
Yeah.
Quartz. Whereas the other rock over there has been sort of quartz, but more like greenstone. Strange. There's like two. See if I can get the first couple of scoops.
Huh.
That's why I only scrape out a bit at a time. It's usually the last bit. Oh, I think I can see it. No, I can't. I thought I could see it. Looked like a bean. Now I can't. There's nothing in there. This is only a little one. Is it even gold?
Heard the clunk.
Yeah, it's not much though.
At least it's gold.
Nice little bit. There you go. But that was like, I'm flat out in normal. And any little hot rock or any little anomaly, that's a good target. So I dig it, it'll be nothing. Because if I go to difficult, it's gone. So I do understand what everyone's trying to say, but that's just wasted my time scratching that out, finding it's just a hot rock or whatever it is. When I might as well just put it in difficult and not be delayed with all that stuff. I understand the science attached to this, but when you're out here in the general practice, you just want to cover ground. You don't want to be stopped every 2 minutes to scratch ground, and besides that, you're just leaving your tracks wherever you go, marks everywhere with little scratch things. You're not sure what's a nugget, what's dug, what's just a pain in the ass. Oh, it's definitely been a bit of a quiet day today. Just decided to do a bit of exploring. Just stumbled across this, just staggering back to the car. bit of gold. It's not going to be much, that's for sure. Mind you, that would be really nice if it was, because a long way today. Not making much noise though. Not going to be much. Go down on those rocks with the knees. I'm not going to drop it this time. I've already dropped it. Oh, well, a little titchy bit. Little titchy bit. A little tiny bit. Oh, well, this is another location to add to the places of possibility. Send the rattle to Deb.
Well done. I've just picked up 2 bits of fish.
It is 5 minutes past 3. I've had no targets all day. Well, no gold targets all day. 5 minutes ago I just got my first gold target, just wandering through like this area. I'll show you on the camera in a second. It's not really what I would expect gold to be. Now I've got my second gold sounding target, and I'll just dig it. It's not going to be much, but still is. I'm still 100% sure this is gold. I'll just swing the camera around. Well, when I say 100%, you know what 100% means. I'm pretty sure it is. I was going to show you the ground, wasn't I? It's just sort of this brown rocky stuff. I have found gold in this type of stuff before, but pretty rare. Okay. Just scratch her out, it's not going to be a lot. It's the right sort of base to find it. By the sounds of it, it wasn't very deep, so I think that'll be out. I was wrong, but I also might be back here a bit. See, the shadows are getting long. Yep, won't be much. My plastic tripod must have metal inside the plastic. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. What do we got? Sounds a little bit bigger than the last one. Is that it? No, that was expecting that to be it. In the hand. Oh, something clunked. There we go. Something clunked. There we go. A little bit, but not a bad little bit. Yeah, and a solid little chunk. 0.4 or something. Maybe 0.5. Maybe not. Nice and shiny.